I get double major tonight. See another major jackpot on this Sahara Gold. I got a major. I got a major again in this high stakes. I'm betting 5 cents, 25. That's 125. I put 70 here. Okay, here we go. I got a major. How much major? 880.
80.
There you go. Another major.
Get the grand.
Oh, more, adding more.
I want with
It's see one. Oh, major.
have one again.
Ay, yan, may ganda na ito. That's mine.
I told you.
Ooh, 880. Another 50, 25. All right, 1016. So I do the backup spin. One more.
That's it. Go home. Before the I should take my money.
1033. I get double major tonight. See another major jackpot on this Sahara Gold. 654. Look at I was betting 150. There you go.
Another major.
Oh my God, listen. Major? Come on.
Can I press one?
Wait. Okay. Sorry. Another major tonight.
We're going 50.
Yay! So what I'm gonna do, they will change the denominations to gas out 942.